If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. It's just beautiful to see Hbar working its way back up to the high where we are predicting, and also the fact that in the last few updates we were saying when we were getting rejected here at the 200 EMA that it's important and vital if we want to get a breakthrough, if we want to see some bullish momentum, if we want to see some explosions, that we must hold this newly formed daily bullish cross, which is actually a signal that on the daily time frame, Hbar is entering a bull market. Stay tuned in this video update for more valuable information. If you could, please like, subscribe, comment and share. We're so close to 7k right now. Let's get there before the end of this month. And now continuing on with this update. In fact, there were some targets that I was mentioning in the last video as potential points of resistance now that we had broken through this 200 EMA, which was the 5.8 cent mark. And we're now coming into that level. In fact, in the update, I made a box in this area just because I saw some bodies, candles closing beneath the 0.5, finding support on moving averages. So for that exact reason, we drew an area as our next technical target for Hbar, and that has now been met. These are some things that could stand in the way from us meeting our target almost at around the 8 cent location. How do we get up there? Well, it's very important now that if we get rejected, that we confirm this 20 moving average as well as the 200 as support, guys. So if that's getting rejected right now, we need to see this bullish cross form or golden cross form, whatever you want to call it, with the 20 and the 200 cross over and then kiss it as support and break through. This could come right now from this area, but what I'm seeing at the moment is a lot of momentum. If tomorrow we start to see wicks in this area, that is showing signs of weakness. But for now, there's a lot of momentum in today's candle. It could change. There's still 6 hours left of the day. So if we do start to get big wick rejections from this point and closing beneath these wicks, which is about the 5.7 cent area, if we're closing back under 5.7 cent, then we're looking to come down to the hopefully newly formed bullish crossover here. But if this doesn't come, if we close above this, we're not seeing wick rejections to the upside, we're looking to break through and head to the next target of 622 and 632. And this is where I'd be anticipating a rejection, where again, if we start to come down from there, if we just continue now and start to come down, we're expecting that newly formed cross between the 20 and the 200 to be confirmed as support, just to signal that we will push through this area, confirm it as support, and look for our 8 cent target. There are targets above 8 cent. It was just in that video update when we were looking at price holding this level that we would eventually return back up to the highs over here. But there are higher up targets and there will continue to be. We just need some retracements, just as we saw over here, which is actually giving us these targets to the upside. In fact, it's signaling for a 10 cent target, and this becomes valid on the break and confirmation of the golden pocket as support, as this comes into the realm of the reversal wave where these targets should be met. And in fact, we have some targets up ahead, even higher up than this, between the 12 cent and the 16 cent area over here. We've also got some other confluences. I'm not really sure where that's come from. I think that's this dump over here on the left. So yeah, that's signaling that once when we were trading within this range, if we ever saw breaks and confirmation of support of this golden pocket, which is what we're suggesting over here, then we'll meet the one targets. You can see all over here, we eventually met them all. And then they will give you those two targets, which we can see 2 of them were missed, or very slightly just missed that one. So yeah, it definitely didn't hit it, but we can see that it did break the 2 fib and actually approach that level. So there's examples over here in the past that are showing you break the golden pocket and we go to these targets, all targets become valid. The moment we start to see that rollover, I will be here to let you guys know. And then you can see over here, you need to come back to the golden pocket and hold its support, and then we will see these targets to the upside. So I know that into the future we will see a 60 and 70 cent Hbar. Will make a bull market target update for you guys this week, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you turn on that notification bell, and you have to be subscribed to do so. So it's going to be a very exciting week on the channel. There's loads of videos that I've posted today, and this week is going to be an incredible week of videos. Some very nice looking projects at the moment looking to explode. We have some that we've been talking about for some weeks, like Nakamoto Games, that's been exploding as we've been predicting. VeChain as well. Hbar just starting this move up, same as VeChain. We have Injective that we cover, and that's completely exploding as we've been predicting, meeting our targets that we have been suggesting for some weeks. So it's just the time for those that haven't actually got going yet to start that movement up. That is it from me today, guys. Again, as I showed you these previous examples on the left, all we now need to do is get above this golden pocket and we will see those higher up targets. Apologies, Abby's just arrived home. The dogs are barking at the door because I've locked it. I need to go unlock it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.